Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. And you know the direction of the Dow. It is down. You can see we've posted lower lows again. This is quite the sell-off from 8,000 to 6,700. We need to get some traction. We can't even consolidate sideways for too long. So hopefully we're in a consolidation type pattern. One never knows. All we can go by is the technicals. Let's look at all the moving averages that are falling off. Get back to the T8 is 7,200. So that's our first line of resistance to get back to as far as the moving average. Then the 20-day at 74.55, so 7,500. If we can hold that level first, I don't even want to get up to the 50-day moving average around 8,000. But just holding a 20 would be nice. We can't even hold an 8. And then now the 200-day moving average is coming down, and we're at 98.26. So pretty soon this moving average is going to come down, 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 and we may meet about 7,500. Who knows? Let's take a look at some of our chart checkups. And let's do, I'm going to take a look here for directional movement. The directional movement indicator is down, and the last buy signal was 142 periods ago. Now let's take a look at the volatility analysis. For the volatility analysis, it takes a look at the Bollinger Bands, and they are 37.81% wider than normal, and the volume yesterday was 24.47 above average. Let's go to our favorite Chande chart checkup. Overall price bias is downward. The projected upper band now is 71.42, and the projected lower band is 62.30. For our Rex Takasugi TD profile, we'll take a look. The volume yesterday, like I mentioned before, was about 24% above average. Bollinger Bands are 38% wider than normal. The technical outlook in the short term is oversold, and intermediate and long term is still bearish. The 200 period moving average now, the Dow is 32.5% below its 200 period moving average. As you recall, the last few days it was about 28-23%, and of course with this dive down it's even further down. Volatility is relatively normal compared to the average volatility over the past 10 days. The forecasting oscillators are currently bearish, and it's had this outlook for 32 periods, and the momentum oscillators are currently oversold. And like I noted before, and if anybody's new to these, I don't plot everything on the chart. This is just a quick technical analysis update, and try to go through a few of the different signals that I see, give you a little commentary on them. And what I'm going to be doing in the future is on Friday evenings or the weekend, I'm going to take different period charts, and we'll take and do a in-depth analysis of the charts. Well, thank you for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions. Hope to see you tomorrow evening when we do this again, and have a wonderful day.